First of all, we are click on the rectangle and click on the blending options. In this option we are click you will be see mostly words many borders are available in this rectangle. You will be see in different flyers, different documents and different video ads. You will be see the rectangles of this colors. We will be see first of all we are click the stroke. This called in the stroke in this tutorial, in this documents, in this Adobe Photoshop we call the stroke. This stroke will be show the black border in this rectangle. I am going to remove this. This will be remove this. I again click here and increase the size of this stroke. Press here and increase the size of this stroke. You can increase manually here like 15, 20, 25. This is will be position is inside of documents. You can set this inside and outside. Click the outside of this documents. This will be show in the outside of this document, but at this will be a huge value of this document. I am going to increase the 12. This will be great show in the great environment. This is the in all settings are will be perform in the pixel size. This is the position outside, inside. What is center will be show in center, and what we are need mostly on outside of our documents. Blending mode, this will know this is the opacity of this document, this border. You can set the opacity of this document like less. You can set the full and 100% or not. Fill by color or gradient. You can set the gradient for this document like this. This will be document show like this. Gradient will be fill in this border, lie in border of this documents. You can set the different type of the types in this documents. This will be fine. This will look like great. You will see the bottom, center, upper center and the top of this documents. Press OK. You can also add one more border of this border. Click the plus button. This will be shown in your screen. You can set first stroke is 12, second stroke is 12, because you can see the second stroke is behind this stroke because both are same size. We are going to increase the size of this documents. This will be increased, but at this time you cannot image what happened because both are same. This first are and second same. We are change the second color and we have set the no change gradient. We can set the pattern. We choose the color because color are more clearly show. This color is black. Second color use is black, and the first we are set again the color is white. This will be show great white and black. First border is white, second is black. Some people are image in his mind because this is not a color, this is a blank, but this is a color of documents. Color of documents we can change or increase the different type of colors here, like this, any type of color would you like, you can adjust here. Okay, done. You can also decrease the size of, also increase the size of. This will be depend on your requirement or your demands. This is the stroke you will be see on your screen how to stroke work. After the drop shadow, like you can set the drop shadow of this documents. You can select the different type of color of this drop shadow. You can even also use the black drop shadow of this. You can also use a less size for this drop shadow like this. This document can be set the different type of, because this move here. You can change the angle here because this will show here, and you can say set here. This will show upper side. Done. These are settings are shown your screen. These are the settings. These are settings you can also set on your this text. Click on this text, copy the blending option, click on blending option, select the stroke means to say border, click here. You can increase and decrease the size, because as its size is 10, we are going to set the 5, maybe we are use a 2, no, 4 is enough. And next stroke is size is, we are click set the 10. This will be look like on that. You can set all type of settings in rectangle and also text and different type of objects that are can control using this working tutorial. Next we are going to set the stroke of this document. This will be show the drop shadow, because this shadow show here. I am going to remove this both of, and this working on stroke, because you will be learn about stroke. This will be stroke show, mostly text show this like this, and you can increase the spread size and again the size of this stroke. This will be show. You can also change the color of this stroke, red is dark red use. Increase the size of this stroke. This will be show look like this. This is the drop dot shadow. This is a shadow, working on shadow. This is a shadow. You can also set the bevel and emboss. If we want to text, our text is look like embossed, then click here. You can set the different type